stack batteries by number. Start by connecting the number to inverter power cord. Then connect the number 1 inverter power cord. The other end of the inverter power cable connects to the combiner box. Red wire to red box. Black wire to black box. Next is the connection from the battery power cable to the combiner box. The other end of the battery power cable connect to the convergence box. Red wire to red box. Black wire to black box. Next is the battery communication connection. One end plugged into battery RS485. The other end is plugged into the RS485 of machine No. 1. The 3 batteries are then connected in series. Battery communication cable connection complete. Then toggle the ADD. 1 upwards. 2 upward. 1 to upward. Next, the parallel wiring. Be sure to use the original cable for connection. Machine No. 1 inserted into Porta. Machine No. 2 inserted into port B. Wiring connection complete. Turn on the battery power. Turn on the inverter switch. Setting the battery communication protocol. Open the PASIX app. Click on Local Control. Select BCD818. Click Device Information. Click RS485. Select WOW_Movis. Then set the inverter to parallel. Both inverters must be connected to the grid side. Then start setting up the parallel. Turn the inverter switch off first. Click on Settings. Click on Basic Setup. RS485 Address Selection 1. Click on OK. And then Return. Click on Work Mode Setup. Click on Single Faso Parled. Click on OK. Machine No. To set up. Turn the inverter switch off first. Click on Settings. Click on Basic Setup. RS485 Address Selection 2. Click on OK. And then Return. Click on Work Mode Setup. Click on Single Faso Parled. Click on OK. Go back to Machine No. 1. Click on Settings. Click on Battery Setup. Select BMS Protocol. BMS Communication Interface select RS485. Battery type select LFP16. BMS Communication Protocol select WOW. Click on OK. Go back to Machine No. 2. Click on Settings. Click on Battery Setup. Select BMS Protocol. BMS Communication Interface select RS485. Battery type select LFP16. BMS Communication Protocol select WOW. Click on OK. All communication settings parallel mode setup complete. Back to home page. Battery information and status can be seen.